Hey, it's your boy DJ Irie, straight out of Miami. Official DJ, the three-time world champion, Miami Heat. So cruising these Miami streets in this McLaren 720S. And here's the thing, you know, Miami is all about riding clean. You know what I'm saying? In Miami, you gotta, the wheels gotta be right. Collection Miami is that it really is an incredible experience. It's an all-around experience from, you know, selecting your vehicle, you know, getting information, you know, learning about your purchase, to receiving it. I mean, heck, if you don't even want to go into the showroom, you don't have to. They'll come to you. That is service. That is an elevated experience, whether you want something that's luxury and exotic like the McLaren 720S, classic. Their inventory is so deep. There's always something for every consumer. And there's always new inventory coming in. It really is your one-stop shop for your every automotive need. Collection Miami, coming to Miami. Man, it's a beautiful thing. Get ready, Miami. It's coming.